What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have a new Lego set that I'm going to be unboxing and building, so let's check it out. Alright, so I have the Harry Potter, Ollivanders, and Malkin's robes, Harry Potter Lego set, and this is it. You can pause the video if you want to look at it. And yeah, let's get to building it. Alright, so the Lego set is finished, and let's take a look at it. So here we have a witch, which I'm assuming she is from Flourish Blots. Because she has lots of flowers and stuff. This is just a wizard, maybe buying some flowers. Here we have Madame Malkin's robes and Ollivanders wand shop. Here you can see the main theme is, pink, and that's where you get pink and purple. And this is yellow and black. Before we look inside, here we have a sign showing that Gringotts Bank is over that way. quality Quidditch supplies is over here, just past Ollivanders. And then Flourish Bouquet, or Flourish Blots, is over behind Ollivanders. So now let's look inside. Inside of Madam Malkin's, we have a student. Looks like a first year. This is Padma. I forgot her last name, but that's Padma coming inside to get a new robe and an outfit and stuff. Here we have, I think that's like the registry. Here we have some outfits and capes. Those are like robes. Then Madam Malkin is up here. She appears to be doing some sewing. Then I guess that up there is just some stuff that she's selling. And then over at Ollivanders, we have Harry down here waiting for his wand. Now he's picking his wand. And then Mr. Ollivander climbing the ladder, trying to find some wands. So, yeah, and then all of these little things in here, those are just different wand boxes. And then these are special ones, like I guess like custom for this Lego set, because I haven't seen them before. And then here's like a chimney. That's pretty cool. And on the box, so yeah, here she's sewing some stuff there. This is Mr. Ollivander. He got Harry's wand down. He's looking at it, and just, she's giving Padma a scarf, and he's talking to Harry. And the ladder, oh yeah, I forgot to show you, the ladder can actually move around, which is pretty cool. Can slide around, it's pretty cool. Yeah, she's just selling flowers. And this is combined. This can combine with 76422, which is okay. So that set, I think that set's retired. So I have to get that, and we can put those together, because this is Weasley's Wizardly Wheezes, which is pretty cool. And then this is I guess that's the post office, I think, the Owl Post. So yeah, I'll have to get that set, and that's going to be it for today's Lego set unboxing and building. And yeah, see you in the next one. Oh, also, sorry for not posting in a while. I've been really busy with school and everything.